I'm Walu.
I'm Ditsa, but today we're team oily and team dry.
So pick a side and let's see who wins. We have I'm from South Korea's best kept secret, a premium skincare brand for those who wants to be one with nature and have the best ingredients on their skin.
And we have two routine. BB team is curated to deliver the best of best and target specific skin concern for both the skin type.
If acne, BIH, BIE, and constant skin congestion are your main concerns and you are into more lightweight products, then you are on my side. I'll be walking you through the whole routine and you'll agree why this triumphs over.
Well, if you look at this package, my dry skin fam facing dullness, dry skin, rough skin texture, fine lines, skin dehydration, and looking for an anti-aging solution, it's going to benefit a lot. Like it's no one's business.
Then, shall we start?
Sure.
Masks have been quite an essential in my daily life, especially when my skin needs to retreat and purify even post-workout. And you know what? Ginseng mask works like a detox, releasing toxins like pollutants, dirt, and even free radicals. And now that's 10 points.
I give that.
Now this one also goes to our founder who also loves MUGWORT essence, and now that's already 10 points.
Ooh.
I use this essence as a toner, especially when my skin needs more hydration. I like to layer it 2 to 3 times during the summer and also layer multiple times during winters. It is 100% MUGWORT essence and it also suits rosacea and skin irritation. Plus, it comes in a glass bottle, now that's luxe.
Ooh.
This serum is a newcomer, so all spotlight on her. This serum is for anyone who aren't the biggest fan of vitamin C but needs a brightening serum and the glow. So now let me put on my glasses. It has 86.7% vitamin fruit serum in this cute bottle. So if healthy glowing skin and dark spot lightening are your main concern, then this package has it all. And of course, saving the best for the last, this OG lightweight brightening soothing moisturizer, the I'm from Vitamin 3 water gel. I will give this moisturizer 10 out of 10 as for someone who often breakouts. I like to use it especially during the summers, and trust me, I haven't had a single tanning at all. So thanks to this OG moisturizer.
I can see that. I can see that glow.
So if BIE and BIH have been robbing you of your joy, then this product and has a routine will help you achieve your skin goals.
Woo! I've actually had a recent experience with super dry skin and really patchy skin, but this mask has really done its work in one wash. And if you think that someone who works in a skincare profession like me won't have hiccups with skin barrier, I'm a living proof. But
yes.
But thanks to the amazing moisture benefit and care because of the I'm from Honey mask, my recovery was way faster. So that's 100 points.
What?
Yeah. Rice toner can actually go head to head with one of the best milky toners and essences in the market, no cap. It does have more weight and moisture than normal toners, so this is really great for anyone with skin dehydration. All you gotta do is shake it a bit because this does have a dual texture, and then you'll get the consistency that you desire. It's a brightening and moisturizing toner that will help reduce visible signs of aging like fine lines and also improve the skin texture. If we're going to talk about newcomers, then I'm going to bring the mushroom ampule in the center of the stage for anti-aging. So if anyone in mid-20s or above looking for a gentler approach who wants to age gracefully and reduce fine lines, premature signs of aging like saggy skin, that mushroom is the one. She is really the one. Now backing the mushroom ampule, we also have the mushroom cream. It's actually great for smoothing your skin texture and improving the skin condition. So it's also a very moisturizing cream that is going to keep your skin moisturized for long hours, so make it very desirable for drier skin types. Together, it actually works like one of the best collagen producing machine. So there you go. Did you know that unlike the oilier skin type, drier skin type do face more premature signs of aging faster? So if you do use any of these products or use overall routine, you're certainly going to age better, slower, and you're going to thank me. So this package wins. So this routine is number 1.
No?
if you are interested in any of these products, you can find them at Beauty Mart India.
And as a routine, you'll get this at 35% off only for 10 days.
For real, for real?
Yes.
Alright. If you want more skincare content and want to know the latest K-beauty trends and new product, comment down below.
And follow us on our social media platforms: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram.
Like,
Share,
subscribe.
Bye, Skin Bees!
Bye.